The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and it's transforming every industry. Some companies are set to profit massively. In this video, I'll reveal my top 3 AI stock picks for explosive growth. We're talking about a hardware innovator, a software powerhouse, and the undisputed leader in AI chips. I'll break down the strategy behind each pick so you can make smart investment decisions. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. First up is Advanced Micro Devices, ticker AMD, a company that's gone from underdog to serious contender in the AI chip race. For decades, AMD was often seen as the scrappy challenger, always in the shadow of larger rivals, but in recent years, the company has undergone a remarkable transformation, emerging as a true innovator and a force to be reckoned with in the world of advanced computing. Under the visionary leadership of CEO Lisa Su, AMD has not only revitalized its core business, but also made bold moves into the AI hardware space. The launch of the Instinct MI series, especially the MI300X, marks a significant leap forward. These chips are purpose-built for the most demanding AI workloads, including large language models and generative AI applications that are powering the next wave of technological innovation. The MI300X in particular is designed to deliver massive computational power and efficiency, making it a top choice for companies looking to train and deploy cutting-edge AI models. As the demand for AI chips skyrockets, data centers around the world are scrambling to secure enough hardware to keep up. The current market leader can't meet all the demand, leaving a huge opportunity for competitors. Tech giants, cloud service providers, and research institutions are all searching for reliable alternatives that can deliver both performance and scalability. AMD's entry into this space couldn't be better timed, as the industry desperately needs more options to fuel the AI revolution. The beauty of AMD's position is that it doesn't need to dethrone the current leader to win big. Simply being a strong number 2 in this rapidly expanding market could translate into billions of dollars in new revenue. Investors are taking notice, as AMD's stock performance reflects growing confidence in the company's ability to capture significant market share. The financial upside is enormous, especially as more organizations diversify their chip suppliers to reduce risk and increase flexibility. One of AMD's smartest moves has been the development of its ROCm software platform. This open-source ecosystem is designed to make it as easy as possible for developers to transition their AI workloads from competing platforms to AMD hardware. By lowering the barriers to entry, AMD is accelerating adoption among software engineers, researchers, and enterprises. The company is investing heavily in developer support, documentation, and community engagement, ensuring that its hardware is accessible and attractive to a wide range of users. AMD's strategy is a powerful combination of best-in-class hardware, open-source software, and a robust developer ecosystem. By fostering collaboration and innovation, AMD is building a loyal community that's eager to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The company's commitment to open standards and interoperability is winning over customers who value flexibility and long-term support. This approach not only drives adoption but also positions AMD as a key player in shaping the future of AI infrastructure. Beyond AI, AMD's core business in CPUs and gaming chips continues to provide a solid foundation. The company's Ryzen and EPYC processors are highly regarded for their performance and efficiency, earning AMD a loyal following among gamers, content creators, and enterprise customers alike. This stable revenue stream allows AMD to invest aggressively in research and development for next-generation AI technologies without sacrificing its leadership in other markets. Lisa Su's leadership has been nothing short of transformative. Her ability to execute on ambitious strategies, inspire her team, and deliver results has earned her widespread respect in the tech industry and on Wall Street. Analysts are already raising their revenue forecasts for AMD, anticipating strong growth as the company capitalizes on the AI boom. Su's track record of turning challenges into opportunities gives investors confidence that AMD can navigate the competitive landscape and emerge even stronger. Of course, the road ahead isn't without risks. The competition in the AI chip market is fierce, with established players and ambitious startups all vying for a piece of the pie. AMD must continue to innovate, execute flawlessly, and scale its operations to meet growing demand. But the potential rewards are enormous, a shot at dominating a market that's expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. For AMD, the stakes have never been higher, but neither have the opportunities. What's truly remarkable is how AMD has shed its old reputation as just the cheaper alternative. Today the company is recognized as a performance leader, setting new benchmarks in both speed and efficiency. Industry experts and customers alike are taking notice, and the momentum is building. As more organizations put AMD chips at the heart of their AI infrastructure, the company's influence and reputation continue to grow. This creates a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle of growth. As AMD's AI solutions gain traction, more companies adopt their technology, which in turn attracts more developers and partners to the ecosystem. The result is a virtuous circle that drives innovation, market share, and financial performance. AMD is positioning itself not just as a competitor, but as a catalyst for the next era of AI-driven progress. For those watching the numbers, keep a close eye on AMD's data center revenue and the demand for its Instinct chips in upcoming earnings reports. These metrics will be key indicators of how well the company is executing its AI strategy and capturing new business. Analysts and investors alike are eager to see if AMD can sustain its momentum and deliver on its ambitious growth targets. For investors, AMD represents a compelling mix of turnaround story and AI-driven growth potential. The company's ability to reinvent itself, seize new opportunities, and deliver value to shareholders makes it one of the most exciting names in tech today. Whether you're a long-term believer or a newcomer to the story, AMD's journey is one to watch closely. Don't sleep on AMD, this challenger is ready to take the crown. With a powerful combination of leadership, innovation, and execution, AMD is poised to shape the future of AI and high-performance computing. The next chapter in the AI chip race is just beginning, and AMD is determined to be at the forefront. Let's move to our next pick. Next up is Microsoft, ticker MSFT, the legendary software giant that's not just riding the AI wave, but actively shaping it. Over the past decade, Microsoft has transformed itself from a traditional software company into a global leader in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and digital productivity. Today, AI is at the heart of nearly everything Microsoft does, from the products you use every day to the infrastructure powering the world's most advanced applications. One of the most pivotal moves in Microsoft's recent history was its deep partnership with OpenAI. This collaboration has supercharged Microsoft's product lineup, infusing advanced AI into everything from Bing Search to the Copilot AI assistants embedded in Microsoft 365, Windows, and Dynamics. By integrating OpenAI's cutting-edge models, Microsoft has leapfrogged competitors and redefined what's possible in productivity software. Copilot is a true game-changer. Imagine having an AI assistant that can draft emails, summarize meetings, analyze complex data, and even create entire presentations, all in seconds. For millions of users, Copilot is becoming an indispensable tool, saving time and boosting productivity. And for Microsoft, it's a high-margin subscription service that's being rapidly adopted by businesses and individuals alike, creating a powerful new revenue stream. But Microsoft's AI ambitions go far beyond productivity tools. The second pillar of its AI strategy is Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform. Azure has become the go-to destination for AI workloads, model training, and enterprise-scale deployments. With massive investments in data centers and custom AI hardware, Microsoft is building the digital backbone for the next generation of intelligent applications. By offering OpenAI's models and APIs directly on Azure, Microsoft empowers developers and businesses to build their own AI-powered solutions. This has created a thriving ecosystem of innovation, where startups and Fortune 500 companies alike are leveraging Microsoft's infrastructure to launch new products, automate workflows, and unlock insights from massive data sets. The results speak for themselves. Microsoft is seeing explosive recurring revenue growth from its cloud and AI businesses. Azure's rapid expansion has made it a cornerstone of Microsoft's financial success, while the stickiness of its platforms makes it incredibly difficult for customers to switch to competitors. This combination of growth and customer loyalty is a powerful engine for long-term value. Much of this transformation can be credited to CEO Satya Nadella. Since taking the helm, Nadella has reinvented Microsoft's culture, pushing the company to embrace innovation, agility, and a growth mindset. Under his leadership, Microsoft has managed to combine the stability of its legacy businesses with the hypergrowth potential of AI and cloud computing, creating a unique blend of reliability and dynamism. Microsoft's network effect is massive. Every new user and developer who joins the Microsoft ecosystem makes its AI smarter and more valuable. This virtuous cycle attracts even more users, partners, and developers, reinforcing Microsoft's leadership in both software and AI. The company's reach spans from individual consumers to the world's largest enterprises, making its influence truly global. Financially, Microsoft is a juggernaut. Its balance sheet is one of the strongest in the world, with enormous cash reserves and consistent profitability. This financial strength allows Microsoft to outinvest rivals in research, development, and acquisitions, ensuring it stays ahead of the curve in the fast-moving world of AI. Of course, there are risks. Regulatory scrutiny is intensifying as governments look more closely at big tech's role in AI and data privacy. Microsoft also faces the ongoing challenge of keeping AI adoption high and ensuring its tools remain indispensable. But so far, the early results are overwhelmingly positive, with strong customer feedback and rapid uptake of new AI features. Consider this. With over 300 million paid Microsoft 365 users, even modest adoption of Copilot could add billions of dollars in new revenue each year. As more organizations realize the productivity gains from AI, the potential for growth is enormous. Microsoft's ability to cross-sell AI features to its massive user base is a key advantage that few competitors can match. In short, Microsoft is a foundational AI holding. It offers investors exposure to every layer of the AI stack, software, platform, and cloud infrastructure, all under one roof. Whether you're looking for stability, growth, or innovation, Microsoft delivers on all fronts, making it a core part of any AI-focused portfolio. As we look ahead to 2025 and beyond, Microsoft's AI strategy is poised to drive stunning financial results. The company's relentless focus on innovation, combined with its scale and resources, positions it to lead the next era of technology. For investors, Microsoft represents the best of both worlds. The stability of a blue-chip tech giant, plus the explosive upside of AI-driven growth. It's a rare combination that's hard to find anywhere else in the market. And as the AI revolution accelerates, Microsoft's leadership in software, cloud, and AI infrastructure makes it a company to watch, and a cornerstone for anyone betting on the future of technology. Finally, we arrive at Nvidia, ticker NVDA, the undisputed heavyweight champion of AI hardware, and arguably the most influential company in the artificial intelligence revolution. If you've heard the phrase, the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush, Nvidia is the company everyone's talking about. Their story is a masterclass in vision, risk-taking, and relentless execution. Nvidia started out as a graphics card company, powering the world's most demanding video games and visual effects. But what set them apart was their early recognition that the same parallel processing power that made their GPUs great for gaming could also accelerate complex AI computations. Years before the AI boom, Nvidia bet big on this future, investing heavily in research and development for AI-specific hardware. That gamble has paid off spectacularly, giving them a near monopoly in the AI chip market and making their products the gold standard for anyone building serious AI systems. Today, their flagship H100 and the cutting-edge Blackwell B200 GPUs are the backbone of modern AI. These chips are the engines that power everything from massive language models to advanced robotics and autonomous vehicles. When you hear about breakthroughs in AI, chances are Nvidia's hardware is running under the hood, enabling those leaps in performance and capability. But Nvidia's real secret weapon isn't just hardware, it's software. Their proprietary CUDA platform is a game-changer. CUDA allows developers to write code that fully taps into the power of Nvidia GPUs, making it almost effortless to optimize AI workloads. This has created a massive ecosystem of developers, researchers, and companies who are deeply invested in Nvidia's technology. Switching away from CUDA isn't just inconvenient, it's a major technical and financial hurdle, locking in customers and creating enormous switching costs. Every major AI framework, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more, is optimized for CUDA. This means that if you want the best performance, you need Nvidia. Their ecosystem is so sticky that even the world's largest tech companies, from Google to Microsoft to Amazon, rely on Nvidia hardware in their data centers. The result? A virtuous cycle where more developers use Nvidia, so more software is built for Nvidia, which in turn attracts even more developers. Demand for Nvidia's chips is so intense that the company can't manufacture them fast enough. Data centers, cloud providers, and AI startups are all scrambling to get their hands on the latest GPUs. This insatiable demand has driven Nvidia's revenue to record highs, with profit margins that look more like a software company than a traditional hardware manufacturer. Their financial performance has been nothing short of explosive, and Wall Street has taken notice. At the helm is CEO Jensen Huang, whose vision and relentless drive have kept Nvidia years ahead of the competition. Huang is known for his bold bets and his ability to anticipate where technology is headed. Under his leadership, Nvidia has transformed from a niche gaming company into a global powerhouse, shaping the very foundation of the AI era. Of course, no company is without risks. Nvidia's sky-high valuation means expectations are enormous, and a handful of customers account for a large portion of their sales. There's also the looming threat of competition, as rivals like AMD, Intel, and a host of startups race to develop their own AI chips. But Nvidia's moat, built on years of hardware innovation, a massive software ecosystem, and deep customer relationships, remains formidable. Nvidia isn't content to just sell chips. They're moving up the stack, offering complete AI systems like the DGX platform, high-speed networking solutions, and advanced software platforms such as Omniverse. Omniverse in particular is a bold bet on the future of virtual worlds, digital twins, and collaborative AI development, opening up entirely new markets for Nvidia to dominate. Around the globe, Companies and governments are rebuilding their computing infrastructure around Nvidia's accelerated computing model. From hyperscale data centers to edge devices, Nvidia's influence is everywhere. Their hardware is the foundation for the next generation of AI-powered services, products, and experiences. As AI adoption explodes across industries, healthcare, automotive, finance, robotics, and more, Nvidia stands as the primary beneficiary. Their technology is enabling breakthroughs in self-driving cars, medical imaging, drug discovery, and even climate modeling. The impact of Nvidia's innovation is being felt far beyond Silicon Valley, touching lives and businesses around the world. While the stock may experience short-term volatility, the long-term trend is unmistakable. Nvidia is building the infrastructure for the future of AI, and their leadership position looks secure for years to come. For those with a long-term perspective, Nvidia represents a rare combination of growth, innovation, and market dominance. For investors, Nvidia is the ultimate picks and shovels play in the AI gold rush. Instead of betting on which AI application or startup will win, you're investing in the company, supplying the essential tools to everyone in the industry. As AI becomes more deeply embedded in every aspect of our lives, Nvidia's role as the backbone of this transformation only grows stronger. As we look ahead to 2025 and beyond, expect Nvidia's dominance and its profits to keep growing. The company is well positioned to capture the next wave of AI innovation, whether it's in data centers, autonomous machines, or entirely new digital worlds. For anyone serious about investing in the future of AI, Nvidia is a core holding. Its combination of technological leadership, financial strength, and visionary management makes it a cornerstone of any AI-focused portfolio. So, as the AI revolution accelerates, the question isn't whether Nvidia will play a role, it's how big that role will be. The next move is yours. So, there you have it. AMD, Microsoft, and Nvidia, 3 ways to ride the AI wave. The AI boom is real, and these companies are leading the charge. Want to invest smarter? Check out my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, link in the description. For exclusive stock tips and analysis, join the Stocks Galore Patreon community. Which of these 3 stocks are you most bullish on for the next 5 years? Drop your pick and reasoning in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.